My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Wenzel 25-liter day pack. So according to the website, I took some screenshots here because again I'm out in the middle of nowhere and there's no reception. So according to this, it says that it is this is called the Wenzel Flux 25-liter backpack. It's black in color. Currently it's going on Amazon for $44.44, but on the Wenzel website it's going for $39.95. So, you know, just be sure to check around on the different prices and whatnot. That way you know if you're getting a good deal, right? So I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. I've been using this pack for over a year now, and according to the website, it says it's just a very simple, they don't really do a lot of marketing for this, right? All they say is that it's one backpack for everything you need. Lightweight, with tons of well-placed pockets, comfortable shoulder straps, and durable fabric. The size is 20.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 1.6 inch. Capacity is 25 liters, weight 1.08 pounds. So as you can see, this is a pretty big pack, right? It is 25 liters, and this is my main biking pack. So I use this for all of my bike outings. I really like it because, as you will see very shortly, it just has one giant pocket in here. There's no other real pockets in there. And then a small pocket on the outside for, say, my money or a little light and stuff like that that I just keep out here. So let's go ahead and so I can just show you this up close here. So the first thing is on the bottom here, it's got nice padding at the bottom. So that way it's angled, right? So the pack itself, it's kind of flat here, and then it angles a little bit here to the bottom. And that way you can, you have to be sure when you're packing it that you fit things at an angle inside the pack, and you'll see that. So the first thing you'll see here is you have these two straps, and I don't really put anything on here. Occasionally I put a clipped light on here for my bike, and it does have these also. These are for probably hiking poles, if you want to use it for hiking poles or whatnot. It's got these two clips. I don't use these for anything currently. So the main thing I do use is this main pocket. It's very large, actually. It covers this whole, it's all the way up here to all the way down to the bottom. And I usually just put like a little light for my bike in here. And I have other things too. I usually just keep a little knife with me. You know, you never know if you need to cut something off the bike or whatever. And I just have I have like spare change and stuff from when I went biking. And, you know, different like loyalty cards and whatnot in here. That's usually where I keep my money when I'm biking and whatnot. So, and as you can see here, it says Wenzel at the top with 25-liter Flux along the side here. And it does have two side pockets, which I'm very happy for. So you can kind of see that it's got both a mesh here and a flap that covers it. So in Arizona heat, this is really helpful because it allows you to keep a phone in here, and it keeps the phone kind of covered this way, and it's got breathable mesh so that it breathes, that it helps the phone not overheat in the summertime. And that's why I love this pack quite a lot. So, and then let's look at this big pocket. My arms are getting tired. I've been doing nothing but film all day. Okay, so let's look at this big pocket here. And as you can see, it's just one giant pocket, right? There's no other zipper here. So it's just one giant thing here, and all you do have a little secret pocket here at the top where I put some like feminine products, you know, or whatnot, just in case, you know, that type of thing. It does come with a hydration pocket, so this is actually very well insulated and padded too, so it keeps it's nice and padded so that when you're biking and you're carrying things and you have water, it is protected with this pocket. So, and I do like this pocket because it's very deep. It easily fits a 3-liter or 2-liter, whatever you want to keep. Usually I just keep like an ice pack or something in here if I want to carry frozen items back. Usually this helps because I take this grocery shopping with me, so I take ice packs and I put it in the insulated pocket, my frozen items, and then I have, you know, this compartment for everything else. So you know how in the store, if you're looking for how much it can hold. You know, they have baskets in the store, right? They're like red usually, or green, depending on which store you go to. And I can usually fit one whole basket in here of food, right? So if I'm like piling the food up and I'm carrying a basket around, I can carry all of it in here, you know? So, and I'm getting pretty good at estimating. So it does have the 2 side pockets, like I said. I do keep my phone in one, and usually in the other I keep my keys and the card reader in order to get back in, because I don't like going through the gate. It's kind of difficult on a bike. So anyways, and then it's got a little pocket on the top here. And as you can see, I just keep an extra hair tie just in case, because you never know while you're biking. Or I've actually given it to somebody who dropped their hair tie while they were hiking. So, but it's just a cushion pocket. It's supposed to be for your phone, and it has a little like headphone jack thing here where you can pull headphones through, but I don't like to use it for my phone because it's too warm, right? Because it's really hot. It's at the top of the pack. It gets a lot of sun. So I don't like to use that. And then here's the back of it as well. And as you can see, it's got the 2 straps. What I really like is that these straps are a lot more padded than what you think. You can really carry heavy things in this pack, and these straps are very well padded. I think they're even more padded than like the Teton Sports or anything like that. So, and just like any other pack, it has the 2 straps where you can put your water. Oh, sorry, and I forgot to point out too, in the main compartment, if you are carrying a water bladder, it does have, so you can feed the water bladder hose up through here. See how it comes out? So you feed it under this plastic bit here, and it comes out, and you can do it on the other side as well. So it comes out both sides. If you want it on the left side or on the right, it'll come out both sides. So that's pretty nice. So anyways, as far as the padding goes, so then you can feed the hose, comes out here, and you can feed it through one of these straps and hook it onto this one. That's what I like to do, and I showed you that in the Teton Sports Oasis pack when I was doing that review. And I really like this too. You have extra straps here. Let me show you how these work. There, loosen them up. So these straps help angle the pack. And as you can see, these straps are actually very helpful, especially when you have a fully loaded pack and you're looking to just cinch it tighter to your back. And that helps it keep it steady when you're leaning forward on a bike or something. So these are nice because it cinches it closer to your back as far as like the space. You know, this is like an expensive, this is usually an upgrade for a larger pack for, say, overnight hiking. So I'm very glad that they put these on just a 25-liter pack. It's really helpful for biking. And it's also got a, it's got a chest strap, and I have it on the lowest setting. I don't know. I never use it, so it probably just slips down. But it does have an adjustable, and it's actually very easily adjustable. Almost too easy. I feel like it falls down when whenever I've used it, it usually falls down. So that's probably why you see it on the lowest setting. But this slides up and down here, and it's a chest strap. And then you also have a strap for the waist on the bottom here. Just the typical one, just like the Teton Oasis Sport pack. This is what you would use. But I do like the padding back here. It's getting kind of thin because I've used it so much. But I do really like this pack, and it's got really nice airflow back here too, and it's even got a nice big pad on the bottom, the base of your back. So it's really nice for long distance biking, or biking to the store just to get some groceries, biking just in general. So, but anyways, so that's it. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. Maybe when I fill it up one time, I'll show you everything that I can put in it. But right now I'm camping, so I'm not quite using this pack. I've only been using the Oasis 1100. So next time I use this, I'll show you what it looks like. So, all right. So thank you so much for joining. Feel free to hit that like button if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.